Hey guys, so this is a quick how to use the Oriamo Tempo S2 watch. So first is you have the wallpaper which shows your calories, your heart rate and your daily steps. It varies from different wallpaper. So swiping left you have the different modes, which is the sports modes, the heart rates, the sleep tracking and the SpO2 blood oxygen tracking also. Then moving on, you have the music control, which is amazing by the way when it's connected, and you have the records which shows you what you have done for the day, the kind of exercise and everything, and for the week also. Then we have the alarm, the stopwatch and the weather. So going into the settings right now, you have the dial which is where you can pick your wallpaper. You can pick it in the app also, anyhow you want to do that. I have the QR code system settings, which is to off and on or reset. And about the watch itself, then going into the QR code. The QR code is to let you know how to download the app. So swiping right, we have the race to wake feature, which you can off and on anytime you want if you don't like the feature. And by the side, we have the brightness, which is quite bright by the way, and sometimes can move mad. Yeah, that's that. And we have the do not disturb next, the DND, if you want to not hear any sound from your watch and something. And the other one is the find my phone. My phone was not connected at that period, so that's why. So swiping down, we have just the normal, your steps, your heart rates and your weekly total. That's if you don't want it to show on your wallpaper. You can just swipe down to know what you have done for the day. Then swiping from up is going to show you your notifications anyhow you set it, and that's all about the watch. So guys, this sequel at the end is just to tell you to make use of the Oraimo iFit app. Not there is the Joyway and there's the iFit. So the iFit is what has more features for this particular watch, and you won't go wrong with the app, trust me. Thank you guys for watching my video, and if this video helped you in any way, please subscribe to the channel, show love by liking and asking any questions you want to be answered. Thank you.